Welcome. So here we are going to demonstrate how to solve simultaneous linear equations in two unknowns by elimination method. So let's start, give the steps, and then we'll give examples to illustrate how the method works. So step one, multiply each equation, if necessary, by positive numbers to make the coefficients of one unknown the same in absolute value. Number two, then add or subtract the resulting equations to eliminate, and this explains why the method is called elimination. That unknown. Number three, solve the new equation with one unknown and use the solution in either of the equations to get the other unknown. So let's demonstrate that method with these examples. Solve the following simultaneous equations by elimination method. Now, the first set of equations is 2x plus 3y equals to 8 and 3x minus y equals to 23. Now, if we decide to eliminate x, then we are going to write 2x plus 3y equals to 8 and 3x minus y equals to 23. So we pick the coefficient of x in the lower equation multiplied by the first equation. And pick the coefficient of x in the first equation multiplied by the second equation. So 3 by 2x is 6x, 3 by 3y is 9y, 3 by 8 is 24. So that's the new equation after that product. Then 2 by 3x is 6x, 2 by minus y is minus 2y, 2 by 23 is 46. Now 6x and 6x, to get 0, we have to subtract. So we are going to subtract these two equations. So here we have 9y minus 2y. So minus is plus, So this will give us 11y, and then 24 minus 46. So 24 from 46 is minus 22. So which means to get y, we'll have to divide through by 11. So which will give us y to be minus 2. So the value of y is minus 2. And then once we have y for minus 2, well, let's pick any of the equations to get the value of x. So like if I use the first one, I'll have 2x plus 3y, but y is minus 2 equals to 8. So which means 2x minus 6 equals to 8. And then collecting like terms, 2x equals to 8 plus 6, which is 14. And then 2x equals to 14 means to get x, we divide through by 2. So that means x equals to 7. So therefore, x equals to 7 and y equals to minus 2 is the solution. Example 2b. So we have 3w minus y equals to 14, and then 2w plus y equals to 1. Now, if we want to eliminate w, then we write 3w minus y equals to 14, 2w plus y equals to 1. In fact, even without using w, you can actually see that the absolute value of the coefficient of y and y in the first equation and second equation are the same. So then we can just say, let's add these two equations, and when we add them, we'll eliminate y in the equation. So 3w plus 2w is 5w, minus y plus y is 0. 14 plus 1 is 15, which means to get w, you divide through by 5. So therefore, w is 3. And then using the second equation, so it'll be 2 times 3 plus y equals to 1. So 6 plus y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 minus 6, so which is minus 5. So therefore, the solution is w equals to 3 and y equals to minus 5. But then you may decide to eliminate w. So this eliminating y. Or if you don't want to eliminate y, you can as well get the same answers by eliminating w. But you don't have to show the two cases. Just pick one. So we'll have 3w minus y equals to 14. 2w plus y equals to 1. So to eliminate w, you multiply the first equation by coefficient of w in the second, and second equation by coefficient of w in the first. So 2 by 3w is 6w minus 2y equals to 14. And this 3 by 2w is 6w plus 3y equals to 1. 1 by 3 is 3. And then 2 by 14 is 28. So that's this 28, this is 3. Now you subtract. So minus W minus 3 minus 2Y, so 6W minus 6W 0, and then minus 2Y minus 3Y is minus 5Y. 28 minus 3 is 25. So to get Y, you divide through by minus 5. Which implies Y equals to minus 5. And once you have the answer for Y, then using first equation, we'll have 3x minus 5 equals to 14. So 3x plus 5 equals to 14. Now, okay, so 3W is W. And then 3W equals to 14 minus 5. So 3W equals to 9. So which means W equals to 9 over 3, which is 3. So you get the same answers by even eliminating W. So you pick one of the variables to eliminate. You don't have to show the two ways. C, 4A minus 5B equals to 4, and 6A plus 2B equals to 25. So solution, let's eliminate A. So I'll have 6 by 4A minus 5B equals to 4. And then 4 into 6A plus 2B equals 25. Now this, we get 6 by 4 is 24A minus 30B equals to 24. And then this other one will be 24A plus 8B. 4 by 25 is 100. Now you subtract 24A minus 24A is 0, minus 30B minus 8B is minus 38B. 24 minus 100, we get minus 76. So which means to get B, you simply divide through by minus 38. So which implies B alone will be positive 2. Once you have B, you always use any of the equations to get the other known. So if I use the second equation, I'll have 6A plus 2 into B is 2 equals to 25. So that's what you have in the second equation. So then 6A plus 4 equals to 25. 6A equals to 25 minus 4. And then this will give me 25 minus 4 is 21. So I have 6A equals to 21, which means A is 21 over 6. Now 3 divide 21, 7. 3 divide 6, 2. So this is the same as 3.5. So therefore, A equals to 7 over 2, which is 3.5, and B equals to 2. So those are the two solutions for that given equation. And then another one, if we have that was C, D, two A plus B equals to 9, A minus 2B equals to 7. So here, if we have to eliminate A, so we'll have 2A plus B equals to 9, A minus 2B equals to 7. So coefficient of A in the second equation is 1, coefficient of A in the first equation is 2. So that's what we write. 1 by 2A is 2A, 1 by B is B, 1 by 9 is 9. 2 by A is 2A, 2 by minus B is minus 4B, 2 by 7 is 14. So we subtract B minus 4B is 5B, 9 minus 14 is minus 5. So which implies 5B equals to minus 5. We divide through by 5 to get B, which means B is negative 1. Now with that solution, we can use the first equation. So 2A plus, where there's B, we put negative 1. Then the answer should be 9. So this be 2A minus 1 equals to 9. So which implies 2A equals to 9 plus 1, which is 10, which means 2A equals to 10, which means A equals to 10 over 2, which is 5. So A is 5 and B is minus 1 are the solutions of that given question. And then next one. If I have one over x minus 1 over y equals to 1, and then another one is 2 over x plus 3 over y equals to 7. Now, to solve this, we can remove the nonlinearity in this equation by doing some transformation. So you see, this one is 1 over x minus 1 over 9 equals to 1. And this other equation can be written as 2 into 1 over x plus 3 into 1 over y equals to 7. So we can fix, so let A to be 1 over x and B to be 1 over y. So that equation 1 will be A minus B equals to 1, and equation 2 will be 2A plus 3B equals to 7. Now you see now these ones are easier to solve. So we say A minus B equals to 1, 2A plus 3B equals to 7. So equation 1 multiplied by 2, equation 2 multiplied by 1, so that this will give us 2A minus 2B equals to 2, 2A plus 3B equals to 7, and then subtract. 2A minus 2A is 0, minus B minus 3B is minus 5B, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So which means to get b, you divide through by -5. So which means b equals to 1. And to get a, using the first equation, we'll have a minus b. So a minus b, which is 1, should give us 1, which means a equals to 1 plus 1, which is 2. But remember, our a and b are our own equation, so which means 1 over x equals to 2 and 1 over y equals to 1, i.e. 1 equals to 2x and y equals to 1. So this means x equals to 1/2 and y equals to 1 are the solutions of the system. Or is the solution. Lastly, if we have an equation of the form, let's see another nonlinearity. Two over a plus 3 over b equals to 7, and 1 over a minus 4 over b equals to -2. So in similar fashion, we can write this one as 2, 1 over a plus 3 into 1 over b equals to 7, 1 over a minus 4 into 1 over b equals to -2. And then do some fixing. So we can say let x to be 1 over a and y to be 1 over b. So it means equation 1 will be 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and equation 2 will be x minus 4y equals to -2. So which means then now we have 2x plus 3y equals to 7, x minus 4y equals to -2. So multiply by 1, multiply by 2. So we want to eliminate x so that we get 2x plus 3y equals to 7, 2x minus 8y equals to -4. And then we subtract. 2x minus 2x is 0. 3y minus 8y is 11y. 7 minus -4 is 11. This tells us that 11y equals to 11. We need to divide through by 11 to get y. So y equals to 1. Now, when I have y to be 1, using the first equation, I'll get 2x plus 3 into 1 equals to 7. So 2x plus 3 equals to 7. 2x equals to 7 minus 3, which is 4. So which means 2x, I divide through by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us x to be 2. Therefore, 1 over a equals to 2, and 1 over b equals to 1. So 1 equals to 2a and 1 equals to b. So which means a equals to 1/2 and b equals to 1 is the solution. So that's how we apply elimination method. Thank you.